Honey is a free download and also super easy to install. Just go to joinhoney.com/MattStoney and just 2 clicks, Honey is added to your web browser and you're ready to start saving money. So, if saving money is something you like to do, go to joinhoney.com/MattStoney and download Honey today for free. Again, that is joinhoney.com/MattStoney. Link will be in the description box below. Alright, let's bring the mountain back in. Oh! Alright guys, again, in case you forgot, this is 1,620 individual French fries. This plate right here clocks in at 6,900 calories. That is over 5 pounds, 5.1 pounds of deep fried potatoes. I literally spent 40 minutes counting up all these French fries, so if that's not enough proof for you, if you don't believe me, tough luck. Oh shit. Alright, here we go guys. This is it, 1,620 cold French fries. Should be fun.
Cold potato. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, now put it there. One minute.
It's definitely not hot. It takes so much strength to muscle down these cold French fries. Oh my god. Give me a burp, man.
A lot of starch. 4 minutes. Come on, the longer you take, the colder they get. Five minutes.
Juice me. Yeah, baby.
And 7 minutes. Hey, come on.
You're doing it work out. Our country is more burnt. Because there's an air bubble somewhere.
8 minutes.
Broke me.
10 minutes. You're on Guy Fieri's show, Minute to Win It.
I will have lost. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, 11:30. This is like a couple large fries.
This challenge, oh, it's so absolutely so ridiculously repetitive. It's just the taste of oil and French fries. Oh.
Well, I never hear you complain about breathing air.
Oh.
Come on.
You know, honestly, like 2 cartons.
Yeah, I could eat that. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
We're so done with potatoes. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's 21. I think it's like, it times out at 30, right? Alright, wait 1 second. No, more.
Done. What, pause it or no? I feel like there's a massive gas bubble inside of me. It hurts. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. That was, like I just said, 1,620 French fries, 5.1 pounds, 6,900 calories completed in 22 minutes and 52 seconds. I'm happy I finished it, but I honestly think I'm very out of competitive eating shape. I think I need to, I'm not in a good spot competitively, so I need to ramp up my training a bit, maybe produce some more difficult videos, no more smorgasbords of delicious barbecue food and stuff. Again, this video is sponsored by Honey. You can go to joinhoney.com/MattStoney to download Honey today for free and start saving some money. Again, that is joinhoney.com/MattStoney. But that's it, guys. I can't wait to see how this video turns out. That mountain of French fries looked awesome. Aside from that, that's it. I got some good videos planned up. Oh, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video. Shit. As I'm filming this right now, this channel is deadly close to 7 million subscribers. Since I'm realizing that this is going to be the first video post 7 million on this channel, thank you guys so much for the awesome years, and look forward to a proper 2007, a proper 7 million subscriber video coming shortly. It's going to be one including Vi Morgan, and I'll leave it at that. Those are always good videos, so look forward to that. Alright guys, well, I'm done. I'm out. The combination of counting to 1,620 and then eating 1,620 French fries has wiped me out, and my throat is toast, and I don't feel like talking too much more. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you hopefully next week with a nice 7 mil subscriber video.